Okay guys, so I purchased this steel and I wanted it urgently, so when I asked them to pre-drill some holes for me, they said it was going to take a lot longer, so they managed to deliver it to me next day, but that means I'm having to drill these holes myself. The plan is that I'm going to be putting some timber on both sides of it, because that's going to be a ridge beam. It needs to go up there and in that hole over there. So because that's a ridge beam and the rafters will be kind of touching both sides of it, I need to bolt timber on both sides and then screw those rafters into it, the ends of that. Now, drilling these holes, obviously it's a thick steel. As you can see, it's a 152 by 152 UC 23 kg, so it's 23 kg per meter, and this is 5.1 meters long. So I picked this up this morning from Merchants. It's a Duro HSS drill bit. It's 13mm. Ideally I would have gone for 14, but they didn't have that in stock. But 13 will do the job as well. And it's really good. It is really good. All I'm using, they normally recommend cutting oil, but standard WD-40. And I'm just being gentle with it. And it's doing a great job. So I'll just show you. I'm on my last hole in the middle. Started from that side and then just went there and then come back now. I didn't want the drill bit to just die out on me whilst I still had a few more to do on this side. So it's the last hole that I'm drilling, so let's see how it does. Obviously expect some resistance. There's steel that I'm drilling into, so you just need to be a bit more patient with it compared to if you're drilling masonry or wood. So let's see. You can move your finger out of the way, Hashim?
Yep.
And just point it here, okay?
You got it.
So I'm going to be using the WD-40 to cool it down. So let's see. I'm finding that when I'm doing it on full speed using my Combi Bosch drill, it's not cutting as fast as when I'm using kind of slow speed on it. Sit down, Hashim. Sit down and just take closer.
Okay.
Don't worry about me talking, so you don't need to get me in the video, okay?
Okay.
So you just focus on this. So yeah, so when I'm using it on kind of slightly slower speed, I'm finding that it's cutting better. I'm not sure whether you can see in the video, but if I'm doing it full speed compared to that, when I'm using it slightly slower, it seems like it's cutting a lot better. I cooled it down a few times. Nearly there. Let's cool it down once more. And there you have it. And I'm sure this drill bit is good enough for many more holes. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, do drop me a line. If you want to know the cost of it, this cost me £12.50 plus VAT this morning. But yeah, really good piece of kit. Thanks for watching. Take care, bye.